In this short video, we will demonstrate some basic actions you'll need to take in Microsoft Teams to ensure you can successfully participate in your virtual training course. You must be logged into Microsoft Teams to participate in the virtual training course. You may use the Teams desktop, web, or mobile apps. First, if you're using the Teams desktop app for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, go to the Teams settings and make sure you have the box labeled Turn on New Meeting Experience checked. If you cannot use the Teams desktop application, please use Chrome or the new Edge browser so that you'll have access to all Teams web app features. You can also use the Teams app for Android, iOS, or iPadOS. For your training, you'll be added to a team in Areli's Microsoft 365 environment. You'll need to use your guest account in that environment to access the files and functionality needed to participate in the course. This means that, before you join each class meeting or try to access class files, you need to switch from CVR to your Areli guest credentials. If you do not do this prior to your call, you will not be able to access files and use all Teams functionality. If you need to use your CVR account while logged into the course with your Areli guest account, you can use CVR on a browser or mobile device at the same time as you're using your Areli guest account in your Teams desktop app. For all course participation in your browser, such as using forms, opening files in Word, PowerPoint, or Excel Online, and using SharePoint, you need to separate your activity using your Areli guest account from other Microsoft logins, such as CVR. To do this, you can use a private or incognito window of your preferred browser and make sure you sign in with your Areli guest credentials. Use a browser where you're not signed into CVR at all. For example, if you normally use Chrome and are signed into CVR there, use Edge or Firefox if available to access the pre-course test in Microsoft Forms. If enabled, you may use a separate profile in Chrome or Edge, which will open up in a separate window. For Firefox, you can use the Multi-Account Containers add-in to separate your Areli guest login from other logins such as CVR. We look forward to working with you in your upcoming course.